Welcome back to yet another revision. In this problem you're given, it has two parts. Given that f asterisk g is equal to f plus g squared. Calculate the value of y asterisk 2. You get 2 marks for that. And write down an expression for the total cost in dollars of 8 meters of fabric at x dollars per meter and y reels of thread at $2 per reel. Now take out your notebook, pause, and do the video and do the exercise. Take your time, but pause the video. Great, have you done so? Now what did you get? Now the first thing to do with problems like this, you have to ask yourself questions, of course. Do I understand this problem here? It says here f times this asterisk. Now what's this asterisk? Well, it's an operation. It could be any type of operation. Times g is equal to f plus g squared. So what it is saying here, that the left hand side of this equation, because there's an equation sign there, it's an equation, is equal to the right hand side of the equation. So whenever you have f times this asterisk and another variable g, it is equal to f plus g squared. So this 5 here times asterisk plus 5 times asterisk 2 means that you have 5 plus 2 squared. Remember, the asterisks based upon this right hand side of the equation means plus, and the next term, the term after it, is squared. So here you have the asterisk, and the number after it has to be squared. So you have 5 plus 2 squared. 2 squared is 4, therefore 5 plus 4 is 9. Now many students make a mistake because they get confused because of the strange sign, but they have to reason carefully. Now write down an expression for the total cost in dollars of 8 meters of fabric, 8 meters of fabric at x dollars per meter, and y reels of thread at $2 per reel. What this question is testing is your ability to convert a word problem into an algebraic expression. So you have the total cost, so T can represent the total cost in dollars. You have 8 meters of fabric at x dollars per meter, so you have 8x, 8 times x, you can use x to represent that, and you have y reels of thread at $2. 2 by y would give you the expression. So there you have it. You've converted a word problem and created an algebraic expression to represent that word problem in the real world. So you have t is equal to 8x plus 2y.